Hello. For our next project, it's actually a four-lesson project. You are going to do some origami, and for the first day we're going to do only one. It's a fish, so we're keeping up with our fish underwater scene theme. And we're going to make this fish right here, you see in pink. You'll be getting 3 different colors of construction paper for your origami, and this orange and coral color, this light pink, and this like yellow color. You can pick any color you like for any of the fish that we do for this week. And I'm going to stick with the pink for this one. So you can grab any color paper you want, but I'll use the pink. And also you'll be getting this too if you need more instructions on how to do this origami project. So with your paper, the first fish is probably the most simplest fish that we are doing today or for this week. Go ahead and fold it in half. Like this. Where you have a triangle. And we want to make sure you get that crease. Unfold it. And then the inner part, the corner, fold it inward. So it looks like this. And then go ahead and fold it back up where you folded it earlier, that large triangle. So your paper looks like this. The next step is to fold this down, to fold this corner to the bottom of the folded side. So you'll get a flat edge on top. So it looks like this on this side, and on this side fold it down this way. So we're working on the body of the fish. And this last part, this part right here, I want you to bring it up, and it forms the tail of the fish. So now we have our origami fish, or our first one.